Admissionato is back
Don't call it a comeback.
for 2 days of interactive workshops to help you on the road to college and beyond. Led by this guy, Mike Mochizuki, and this gal, Ann Ford. Each graduates of Brown University and part of Admissionato's killer college admissions consulting team. Each has unique insights to share on essay writing, interviewing, study habits, and goal setting. And put together, they stand almost 12 feet tall. On Saturday, March 1st, they'll be leading students grades 9 to 11 through our interactive essay development workshop with a live edit demonstration. Our interview tactics seminar to show you how to impress any college alum interviewer, and our AdCom simulator to take you into the mindset of an AdCom. On Sunday, March 2nd, they'll take students grades 6 to 8, along with their parents, through the fundamentals of good study skills, setting meaningful goals, and choosing activities to make you a well-rounded applicant and person, by the way. We hope you enjoy the workshops and leave ready to tackle the college app process with confidence and awesomeness.